friends, today I have another unboxing for you guys, as I got shoes from eBay this time again, as it was some sale. And actually no, it was on eBay, but I checked price online and I saw the same shoes. They were in Walmart, so I got them and now I will show you again. It's UGG Australia from Walmart. So yeah, let's show you. They came in big box, and this is big box, and it looks like this. Here is the model name. This is the UGG Australia in size 10, and their name is here, Janina. So let's open them. They were new and a little bit on sale. Actually much, over 50%. Let's see. Here's boot number 1. And here is boot number 2. So yeah, this will be for thumbnail, like so. Maybe this way. Okay, so here are the boots. They are new, and inside they come with this. And this model is kind of old, few years I think, but I wanted to get it because it's on sale and I like the model. We are in chestnut. We are made in really nice quality leather. As you can see, it's really nice. It's really good. This is not sheepskin, I guess, but it's really nice. Here they have buckle, and they are waterproof, so it's good deal to get waterproof UGG Australia on sale, as new ones cost much more. And they come with a zipper, but the zipper is only halfway here. It helps you to get them on and off, I guess. And the zipper is easy to open. And here we have some guard from leather, I guess. They are made from spider rubber. These one are not infused with cork, I guess. And here we have UGG sign. And when it comes to inside part, they have really nice sheepskin here. Maybe it's UGG pure. This is nice and thick, but not as thick as in normal classic UGG Australia. And then few inches down they have like different kind of lining, which is more different. It's like fabric, but it's really soft. I don't know how to show you. maybe from here or here. This kind of lining. It's really soft. And inside we also have it on this part. So yeah. And I really like this style. Great for winter, I guess, and maybe spring and fall. And let's see another one. And here's the tag, because I got Australia here. Yeah. And here it has this thing. It says AG. This part is made from different kind of material. It's like wool, I think. And the other one is looking the same. Let's see what it says. Shaft and sock lining 100% wool, lining backing 100% polyester. Real fur from lamb. Fur has been artificially dyed and treated. A rare shaft 70% wool and 30% polyester, made in China. Okay. And here on top they look like they are darker, and then here they are a little lighter. Yeah, and this is from wool. Okay, I try it on now.
you call. So many years gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? we used to do. No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
Okay, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy such videos, unboxings of Alga Australia. And if you do also like vlogs or other videos, then subscribe and also give thumbs up, and you can hit notification bell so that you are notified when I upload. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and